He popped up on the right.
Oh, there he is.
We found a lumber chopper station, wherever it's called.
Why is it so loud? Why do they have to make it so loud when he pops up?
Still scare little bitches like you.
Oh, wait, Lexi. Fucking creepy. Hate this game. Why can't we play Shark Attack?
Because only me and you have Shark Attack.
Oh yeah. Fuck, it pops
Like
out
Sadie
everywhere.
could easily buy it, but I don't want to waste his money.
I could easily buy it too, but I have to put money on my card. I have money.
I don't want to I don't want to waste money on any pile of shit.
Yeah, it's. Oh, he's to our left, by the way, or behind us. Okay. We're like. Let's see. I think that's Ooh, there's something in front of us. Pillars.
That was a tree.
What is that?
In a graveyard.
That looks like a turtle.
Oh shit.
Like, I'm just telling you right now, I'm most likely gonna be the first one to die.
Hey, you never know.
Hey, Titan.
What?
You remember that one
time?
time?
No, you better not commit suicide again, I swear to God.
He's behind us, by the way.
Asshole. He is behind us, just keep walking. I think
he just teleports to our right. I witnessed him teleport.
One to the left. Oh, he's right there.
Oh, hi. You're still following me.
Hi, of course I'm still following you. I don't want to get lost.
He's on the other side of the building. He's in the front of the building now.
I see him. Anyway, I don't think there's anything here.
No, I didn't get anything.
I guess we just followed the path now. There's some wooden poles here.
Yellow brick road.
In this case, yellow to red brick road because it's covered in blood everywhere. This joke is brown. Oh, there's a green thingy. Okay, left or right?
The only reason it's brown because Titan ships.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
Whoa. Oh,
that's just
he didn't show him on the screen. He's next to the green thing.
Yeah, I know, he's right next to the green thing. Like, wow, you don't need to double the efforts.
Where are we going anyway? It feels like we've been going in a circle. Yeah, it feels like we've been going in a circle.
Can we go right here if you feel like going in a circle? Let's go this way. Oh, he's right there. Look to your left because he's right. He's around your right. Just run down this pathway, but look to the left.
I'm not gonna look anywhere. I'm just gonna keep going.
We're approaching a tree. Okay.
My flashlight is tweaking out.
Oh, there's. Oh, okay. Yeah, we just went in a circle, by the way.
Just keep following the road.
Yeah, that's just keep following. You're still alive. Don't freak out, dude.
Whoa! Never mind.
He popped up on my right, but like he popped in the corner of my eye, so it freaked me out.
What is this? Illuminati stuff?
Looks like Illuminati. Hey, look! I think Jay-Z lives here.
What?
Jay-Z, I think he lives here. Illuminati.
It's a group. It's not one person.
Jay-Z's a person, idiot.
Illuminati's not one person. It's a group.
I know.
Of people. It's an organization.
You know what? Never mind. Just come on. Let's not die.
We won't die.
Yet. You don't know. It's not normal, by the way. So if we die, that's gonna be.
Found the cabin.
Hearing him, for fuck's sake.
Ooh, cabins! Yay.
I hear him a lot over here.
Sit in and Matthew, go to that one. Never mind. Oh God, he got me.
Oh God, what happened? Who died?
I was the first one to
die.
die.
No! I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Wait, there's still three of us.
I died.
Mike died.
Calm down.
What do we do? I can't.
Calm down. Just follow Satan.
Oh, we'll follow Satan. He's the guy. We're the girls. To protect us.
I'm the one with the dick.
Yes. God damn it, Mike! You scared the shit out of me. Mike got shit. Wait, slow down. Mike got right in my face and scared the fuck out of me. I thought it was him. Oh my God. Oh, that looks really scary. Yeah, he's a ghost. He's a ghost now.
I'm dead. First I'm a ghost.
God damn it, my person got tired. Oh